for a ride in your car, car. Take me for a ride in your car, car. Take me for a ride, take me for a ride, take me for a ride in your car, car.
Vamos a dar un paseo, vamos a dar un paseo, vamos a dar un paseo en el carro, carro, carro. Vamos a dar un paseo en el carro.
Red. Let's go in a red car. Take me for a ride in your red car. Take me for a ride in your red car. Take me for a ride, take me for a ride. Take me for a ride in your red car.
Vamos a dar un paseo en el carro, carro rojo. Vamos a dar un paseo en el carro rojo. Vamos a dar un paseo. Vamos a dar un paseo en el carro rojo.
How about yellow? Take me for a ride in your yellow car. Take me for a ride in your yellow car. Take me for a ride, take me for a ride, take me for a ride in your yellow car.
Amarillo. Vamos a dar un paseo en el carro. Vamos a dar un paseo en el carro amarillo. Vamos a dar, vamos a dar, vamos a dar un paseo en el carro amarillo.
For a ride in your blue car. Take me for a ride in your blue car. Take me for a ride, take me for a ride, take me for a ride in your blue car.
Azul. Vamos a dar un paseo. Vamos a dar un paseo. Vamos a dar un paseo, un paseo. Vamos a dar un paseo en el carro azul.
This is how we made our racetrack. Maybe you could do it at home in the way that you figure out. First we did board and we put one block. That's not very high. Then we put 2 blocks. It was a little higher. Do you think they went faster with 2 blocks under the board? We put 3 blocks. Here's the winners. The last one, we kept getting a tie. 4 blocks. That was the fastest of all.
En sus marcas, listos, fuera.
Blue one won. Mark, get set, go.
El ganador es el verde. En sus marcas, listos, fuera.
Green one again. Ready, set, go.
Empatados. El verde y el amarillo. Ganaron los dos.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Bye.
Eso fue divertido, amigos, pero ya es hora de decir adiós. Adiós, amigos.